everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Shein referral code, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, you're simply gonna go ahead, open up your browser, search in shein.com and go to their official website. Otherwise you can open up the app as well. Once you're in their official website or you have opened the app, you're gonna go ahead and get the product that you would like to buy. First of all, make sure you do have the referral code on you. Tap on the product, tap on add to cart, and then choose and tap on add to cart again. Now what you have to do is you're going to go to your cart on top right, and then you're going to go to the checkout section. Once you're done signing in, again tap, then you will find this kind of interface right over here. You have to simply add a new location, your first, your last name, your phone number. Make sure you do check the, simply go ahead, add phone number, add the address, find address manually as well, and then tap on save at the bottom. Then you will go to the payment section where you will be able to find a little box which is for the referral code. Go ahead, enter the referral code with, you will get some discount, and then confirm the checkout, and that is basically how you will be able to do so. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in